Guys, this is my grilled chicken and chickpea salad on a tortilla wrap, packed with flavour, simple to make, super healthy. Try this one at home. I'm going to start by deboning our chicken thighs. Nice and easy, just follow the bone down with the side of your knife. Essentially, you just want to scrape that bone back, get to one end, and then as soon as you can see underneath the bone, you just want to slide your knife in and just let your knife do the rest of the work. Right, that's 3 chicken thighs, boned in about 30 seconds, perfect. Right, let me just wash my hands and we'll get marinating. Right, for my marinade, I'm starting with a heaped teaspoon of tomato puree, a good whack of salt, a good hit of pepper, lots of smoked paprika, some fresh lemon juice, catch the seeds, some granulated garlic, go in heavy with this, some olive oil, and finally some dried oregano. Right, give that a good stir, mix it up. Right, that looks stunning. Pack with the flavour. Right, so before I add my marinade to my chicken, I'm just going to give it a direct seasoning on both sides, skin side and flesh side, with some granulated garlic as well as some pepper on the skin side and a whack of salt. And now I'm going to go straight in to my bowl with this beautiful marinade, and let's just get our hands in there and make sure every piece of the chicken is coated nicely in that beautiful rich marinade. And obviously the longer you leave this to marinate, the more intense the flavour gets. But this is a 15-minute meal, so we're gonna put this straight onto the grill. Right, olive oil, just enough to coat the pan, and we're gonna go straight in with our chicken, skin side down. And you want this on a medium heat, because we're going to slowly cook it and get that skin nice and crispy. Skin side down first, and just let that do its thing for a few moments. Right, while our chicken slowly cooks, I'm just going to get started with our salad. So just some thin slivers of onion. Let's go in with some beautiful green olives, and I'm just going to give these olives a rough chop. Sun-dried tomato is one of my all-time favourite ingredients to add. Roughly chop these beautiful sun-dried tomatoes. Love these things. Roasted red peppers out of a jar. Keep these in your fridge. Trust me, they will pimp up any dish. I'm just going to give these a nice, again, just a rough chop. Right, let's start building our salad. I'm going to start with the base of our salad, which is these chickpeas, which have been drained. Then let's start adding the rest of our ingredients. Peppers, sun-dried tomatoes, olives and onions. Outstanding. Right, and I'm going to go in with a couple of spoons of these beautiful capers, which are soaked in vinegar, and they're just going to give everything a tang. Right, leave this to one side while I prep the rest of my ingredients. Right, let's check up on our chicken. Perfect. Right, look at that. That's exactly what we want. Perfect amount of colour, nice crispy skin, and that is just packed with flavour right there. Oh, perfect. Right, so what I've got here is some kale, some fresh coriander and some cherry tomatoes, which are just going to go straight into our salad. So roughly chop your coriander. So I'm just going to group it all up into a bunch, stems and all, and straight in. And I'm just going to cut my cherry tomatoes into halves. Right, let's chop up our kale, and we will get those stalky bits. And when you come across them, just make sure you remove them because they're not too pleasant to eat. Right, in with our kale. Right, as you can see, our salad is looking good. We've got so much going on in there, but we need a dressing, so I'm going to whip that up right now. Right, our salad dressing couldn't be more simple. We're going with a heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a good glug of olive oil, juice of half a lemon, dried oregano, granulated garlic, good hit of pepper, and a nice sprinkling of salt. And just give this a good stir. Mix it up nicely. You can use a whisk if you want, but because it's only a small quantity, I'm good with a spoon. Right guys, just quickly check on our chicken, see how we're doing here. Perfect. All right, our chicken is done, guys. Just remove the chicken off the heat and let it rest. Right, look at that. That's a perfect salad dressing. Packed with flavour. Delicious. Right, let's add it to our salad. Right, so I'm going to add 3/4 of our dressing to our salad now. And I'm going to leave a little bit just for my chicken, and let's just give this all a really good stir. Right, that looks stunning. I'm really happy with my salad. We just need to add our chicken now. Okay, our chicken goes straight on the board. Right, and just slice your chicken into nice chunky pieces. Right, let's go straight in with our chicken. Look at that. Last few steps, I've got some beautiful melon seeds here, which are just so good for texture. Just going to add a handful of those. And let's go in with the rest of our dressing just on that chicken. Fold that chicken into the rest of our salad and just let it get to know all the other flavors. So you could eat this right now as it is, as a healthy, nutritious, delicious meal. I'm gonna put it on a wrap today and I can't wait. Let's go. Right, let's plate up. I've got this lovely tortilla here and we're gonna go straight on with our chicken salad. Stunning. That just looks so appetizing. And I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of fresh coriander on the top of that just for garnish. Right, this is my grilled chicken and chickpea salad on a tortilla. Outstanding flavors, loads of protein, really healthy, and it takes 15 minutes to make. Outstanding. Right, let's get stuck in. Delicious. Okay guys, chickpeas, delicious, great texture. You've got all that salad, the red peppers, the sweet tomatoes, the grilled chicken is really flavorful. The dressing is really good. Make this at home. It's not just delicious, it's absolutely effing delicious. Really good. Well happy with that.